If you're new to Higgsfield AI, Higgsfield AI allows you to create mind-blowing visual effects similar to what I have here, and this particular effect is called the seamless transitions between two images. So all you have to do from here is to click on go to higgsfield.ai, and once you're on the page, you can see various effects created using this particular AI website. So you can see video effects, and you can also see picture effects. So it depends on what you want to actually create. So since I'm creating VFX, all you have to do is to click on your visual effects section. Then you can go on to click on the seamless transition. Once you click on it, you'll be brought to a page like this, where you can see the example or examples in some cases of the videos that have been created using this particular effect. Now the next step will be for you to go to generate and click on it. Now once you're on the generate page, since it's a transition, there should be two images or videos. You will be required to upload both, so the first frame and then the second frame. So all you have to do is to upload both of them, describe your scene, choose your model. There's a list of models you can choose from. Choose the one that best suits you, and especially if you're looking at duration and clarity or resolution of the video. So once you've done that, go on to click on generate, and in a few seconds, sorry, it's not seconds, minutes, you might see an hour, but I promise it's not up to an hour. Within minutes, 10-15 minutes, your video should be ready for download, and you can always play the video and then go on to download it. So that's it, guys. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day, guys, and please subscribe.